How to use a Chipotle gift card online or Chipotle gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use a Chipotle gift card online. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to use a Chipotle gift card or Chipotle gift card, first things first, you can head into Chipotle, and once there you can head into your browser on chipotle.com, or you can do so on the application. There you want to log into your account. In order to log in, you can see the three horizontal line icon beside the profile logo of the Chipotle. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the sign in option. Tap on sign in and you'll be able to sign in. Once you're signed in, now what you want to do is you want to head into your profile on the from the home page. So once onto your profile, you want to head into the payment methods section. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but you want to head into the payment methods section, and there you'll get two different options. That is add a card, that means adding your bank card, that is credit or debit card or Visa card, and you'll get the option to add a gift card. So simply tap on add a gift card, enter in your gift card details, and you'll be able to use it. So this way you can use a Chipotle gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.